Hello, good afternoon and welcome to a new video. And we're back at our favourite place, which is Triumph HQ, and we've come to look at the new Daytona 660. But we're just upstairs at the moment, and here's the view of the last Daytona built, which is the Moto 2 765. Quite a few people are saying that the new 660 isn't a proper Daytona and they wanted a new Daytona 765. But they already built them, and the previous Daytona just didn't sell well enough. So, shall we take a look downstairs?
Yeah.
Have a look at this new bike. Unfortunately, it's not very well lit where it is. Trident T180 prototype there. Here they are. We've got a grey one and we've got a white one over there. That'll please you, look, Carol. A little thing to stop all the spray coming up your back.
Excellent. Mud flap.
Yeah,
Like
a little
it.
mud flap. It certainly doesn't look as extreme. I mean, they're not really clip-ons, are they? They're still,
not really.
still at the same height, aren't they?
Yeah. It
And
actually looks quite a rideable position, actually.
Well, isn't that the same dash as they stick on the base model
Triple.
Street Triple?
Or is it on the Trident?
Well, I think it's on the Trident as well.
So it's, yeah,
Yeah,
it's the Trident 660 as well, isn't it?
yeah,
So
yeah.
Front view of it as well.
There's the front end
Take
view.
some pictures as well.
You might get a bit of light from the projection
Yeah.
here. This engine is more powerful than the Trident, but it's still not what your old Street Triple was making. I'm not sure I like the colour that much.
Well, I never like matte colours anyway. I much
No.
prefer shiny.
Yeah, yeah.
You can polish it. There's a white
Yeah.
one over there, so look at the white one.
Have a look at the white one then. I think I do prefer the white, Carol. They do a quite nice job with the exhaust down here, haven't they?
Oh, it's quite tidy, isn't it? Very tidy, actually. Yeah, like
Done a
that.
neat job of housing that catalytic converter under there.
Yeah.
I'm going to look down on the dash. Again, my apologies, guys, for the lighting here. I hope to show you more, but I can only show you in the light
We
that
can
we've
see.
in the light that we've got available. It doesn't look an extreme riding position, does it, Carol?
I think you could ride that. It doesn't look uncomfortable at all, actually. I think it'd be quite nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that'd be quite comfortable, actually.
I think you could ride that.
Yeah.
I don't think that's much more extreme
No.
than a Street Triple.
No, it looks similar. The handlebar position looks similar.
And I bet the Moto 2 that they've got upstairs
Yeah.
is probably more extreme than,
Yeah.
what this is.
We've got some more Daytonas here, actually.
They've got. Shall we
Yeah.
show you the actual proper Daytonas?
Yeah. Beautiful collection of T120s.
Oh, they're beautiful, aren't they? That's a Dick Shepherd's collection.
So this is the McQueen Daytona, isn't it?
These are the proper
Proper TT racing.
675 Daytonas, the real McCoy. Look how much lower those bars are.
Yeah, it's a completely different position, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
It's arse up, head down, isn't
Yeah.
it? Which the new 660 isn't, is it?
Yeah.
This is Triumph's first British Supersport Championship winning bike from 2008. It's a completely different bike, really.
Yeah,
You look at the bar angle.
But that looks more like a derivative from the Street Triple, doesn't it?
Well, yeah, if you remember your old
Yeah.
Street Triple, it's the same frame,
Yeah.
same swing arm, isn't it?
Yeah.
As your
Tank
old
and
purple
everything's the
one
same,
from
yeah.
2012
Yeah.
wasn't it?
Yeah.
So, whereas I applaud Triumph for making a new Daytona, it certainly isn't what you call a proper Daytona like the race bike Daytonas. And the Daytona name was always associated with racing, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's an odd choice of name for it, really.
I think somebody described it as a
trident with a fairing.
trident with a fairing.
Yeah.
So it's a
Looking at it.
little bit unkind, but
Yeah,
I
but
can
it is
I maybe
really
get
what
it.
is,
Yeah.
isn't it? Really, it's a derivative from the trident rather than the
Yeah.
triple, isn't it?
Yeah. And just for our friend over in America, Maurice Turgu, who was part of the team that looked after this when it was racing
Bonneville.
at Bonneville, yes.
Yeah, it's still here.
It's still here, Maurice. Still here. I don't think it's going to go racing anymore. I think its racing days are behind it. Of course, that's the one that Guy Martin was jumping on, doing these recreation of the Great Escape. And right here is the
Steve McQueen one.
Steve McQueen, the original bike from the film. The TR6 trophy from 1962. A quick view into the factory. There's a big
one. A red
where?
one. Daytona look.
Oh yeah, there's a red one hiding right there. Right there. Yes. It's down there. It's actually better lit here than it is in.
It is, yeah.
So annoying when they put the bikes in, you can't actually get a decent picture of
Yeah,
them.
it's a shame. Proper skill.
Someone with more skill than us. There's the
1
millionth
millionth
bike. Sitting here in another very, very dark corner. Need some lighting in here, don't they?
Really, yeah.
Come on, Triumph, get some lighting on these bikes. I've hid the electric effort away
That's
in
really hidden away in
a really dark
Actually,
corner.
Better lit than they are.
That's the TE1 electric. We've not really heard about anything else electric from Triumph, have we?
No.
But it's gathering dust here.
Yeah.
It's the Moto 2 one, isn't it? That's the one with more extreme. See, I think
Yeah.
that looks as extreme, if not more extreme, than the
The Daytona.
Daytona.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's nice, that is. I don't think you'd enjoy riding that as much as the one you've got.
No, I don't think I would.
A load of knobblies there. They must have some bikes going out on knobbly tyres. Wonder if they've got those
They
for
must
the
be
new
those new ones.
motocross bikes.
Yeah.
So many knobbly tyres, look there.
It's the only thing that they're suitable for, isn't it?
That's the only thing, yeah. I mean, they're proper off-road tyres, they are. Wonder if they are actually building those bikes here.
Might be for the start. Usually they start building them here and then they move them out to...
They do, yeah. I think they prototype
perfected them.
all the bikes here
Yeah.
on the production line here, and then they send most of them abroad to be produced. All the James Bond things here. It's one thing I'm not really into.
No.
James Bond theming. I've got a 007 bike here. Doesn't really do my thing there. Anyway, guys, let us know what you think to the new Daytona 660.
It looks nice. I think the quality's there. It looks good.
Is it worthy of the Daytona name? Let us know in the comments below. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Catch you on the next video.
Bye.
Cheers for now. Bye-bye.